Hello my friends, it's Running Kimono and we have another curbside video for the week of the 24th over at Walgreens. So basically you go on your desktop computer or your cell phone and you order this stuff through the Walgreens app and see where that blue box pickup is marked on the left hand side. That's what you're going to opt for, so you can go to the store, drive up and pick it up that way, or go into the store physically to the photo booth or the photo department and pick it up there. They usually have it behind the counter. And the advantageous thing about this curbside pickup is that products are a little bit cheaper doing it this way than in store. You pick how you want to shop this week, but these are curbside deals. So the first one that we're going to talk about, just a hodgepodge of items. Of course, it wouldn't be a deal without some toothpaste. So these weird shaped containers for $2.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. So make sure that you have that loaded, and I'm going to give you a little peek here. What does that look like? This is what it looks like. So make sure that you have it loaded for this little dealio. Now head on over to the coupons.com app and load this $2 coupon. As you're buying 2 tubes using 1 coupon, yes, you can use this secondary coupon from this app and get an extra $2 back. So extra savings on the savings with more savings. So definitely go to the photo department so you can get that paper coupon. And what's the promotion with the toothpaste this week? Buy 2 of these, get $4 in Walgreens cash. And yes, that will work for a curbside pickup. Okay, we're also going to be grabbing one of these Baby Lips lip balms by Maybelline for exactly $3.99. If you look below the deck, it says $3 off coupon. Here it is. So make sure that you have this one loaded, and it's not specifically on one product. It's just off of Maybelline Cosmetics. So there you have that. Make sure that you have this little guy loaded. And then to balance our basket off, we're going to grab one of the Mountain Dew. This is called it's called Melon something or other, but this really pinky pink one for $2.39. Now that 20 fluid ounce drink, we're getting $1 back for the Major Melon. That's what it's called, from Ibotta. So that's $1 back. So double, triple check that you have this Ibotta rebate before you head out to the store and do all this magic, or do it online and then go pick it up. And then on Fetch Rewards, it's $1.25 back for the exact same Major Melon. So hey, that's double stacking those rebates. So you're going to need a paper receipt. So go to the photo department for this one. Okay, so as you can see, our 2 digital coupons came off, the $3 for the Maybelline and the $2 for the Colgate. And then looking at the order summary, so the cost of goods is $12.46. We're doing that curbside pickup, so it's free, a little bit of tax there. And then $5 of manufacturer coupons that I just showed you, like the instant savings for the Maybelline and the Colgate. So our new total is $8.06. But since this is an extreme couponing page, I think we can do better than that. Okay, so the subtotal is $12.46, tax and all that magic. We have our manufacturer coupons plus $5 in Walgreens cash. You're paying $3.02. You're getting $2 back from coupons.com. You're getting $1 back from Ibotta, $1.25 back from Fetch for that Mountain Dew drink, plus $4 in Walgreens cash for the purchase of your toothpaste. So it makes this basket of 4 items free plus a 19-cent money maker. So for 4 items free, that's pretty cool. As we're buying 2 tubes of the Colgate in those goofy little packs, buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. This is an estimated earnings, and about 1 to 2 hours after you do your curbside pickup, it should appear in your account. Okay, so if that first basket doesn't interest you, maybe this one will. So we're going to be grabbing one of these Schick. It's like a little razor for your mustache or your eyebrows. If you use this, you know how great it is. There's a $4 digital that's attaching. We're grabbing a Schick disposable, so you can get the ladies or the men's. It is your choice. And we also have a $4 for this guy. And then we have to grab one of the men's fancier razor, and it has to be the Dude razor for $8.99. And as you can see, there's another $4 coupon that's attaching. So like the 444, that's $12 of digital coupons. What? Load all of these and they will attach to the products that I just showed you. You might have to Jenga and wiggle it around. I had to switch a couple stores to show you this example because around here, most of the stores had one product or not the other. And if you see that you can't add an item, it's because it's out of stock. So the overall total for the basket is $20.97. I'm opting for a curbside pickup, so that's free. There's the tax. I have my $12 of manufacturers. So the new total is $9.71. Now, as this is an extreme couponing page, I threw in $5 in Walgreens cash. So I'm paying $4.71 with my debit card, And then I'm getting my $3 back for buying 3 of these products. So it drops it down to $5.97 for the 3 or $1.99 per Schick product. This is a pretty good price point. And it's a curbside deal if this might interest you. Now, just to show you, like, do the digital coupons attach? Yes, in fact, they do. I didn't have a promotion code for you guys. I always have problems with those, so I'm just going to say, do it this way. And then as you can see, once I pick it up at the store, I will get back my $3.08. It might take a couple hours, but it should appear. Okay, so if you missed my video yesterday, I made a video saying, hey, these are scanning. And I did 2 different deals where I was using Register Rewards, and at the till, they're scanning. The cashier doesn't have to press the super secret red phone button. It just scans. So I know a lot of you are a little bit apprehensive, and sometimes, no is no at Walgreens. But definitely just know it was working for me. I know the system was down for a couple hours too, but it seemed to be up and working like yesterday evening-ish. But it worked for me when I went there at 11 yesterday. So I don't know if it was just like in certain states or what. They have been doing like, new updates and that sort of stuff, but it seems to be taking forever. But just know, straight from the horse's mouth, these were working for me in store. They were both printing and scanning, no problems, no issues at checkout. Now, in case you missed it, I made a little video where I got my basket for like $6, moneymaker, and it was just fantastic. It was my real Price is Right moment. I will link it at the very end. I did this in store. I'm old-fashioned. I love doing these in-store deals. So if anything's going wrong, especially with the Register Reward issues the last 2 weeks, I would be right there to complain and act awful. No, I'm usually super cool with the staff, but it's right here, guys. If you want the breakdown of what I did, it's super easy deals, and there's a lot of fire deals, including some very inexpensive Dove with a Register Reward. You have to do that one in store. You cannot do it as a curbside, because for curbside, those Register Rewards no longer print. If you want to see how I did it, I will link this video at the very end. And even, I don't have those weird tubes of the Colgate. I got these boxes of the Total. It was still working with those. Last thing I want to leave you with, when you're doing your curbside order, if you cannot add something or it just gives you a weird message, it's because the product's out of stock. And if you do see a matchup where nothing really adds up, or you're like, that third body wash you're buying kimono is going to be $7.49, not $19.50 for the 3. And you just don't believe anything I'm saying because mathematically it doesn't make sense. And there is a method to this madness. When you have a sales price item and you buy them in quantities, it'll ring up for the sales cost. On Sunday morning, what I would recommend, because I do get this question quite a bit, just to answer, like, how is this done? Sunday morning, just start adding stuff to a cart online through your cell phone, and you'll be able to see how I get the math. Because this is a question I get a lot for this specific one is like, if I have a third product at a sales price, yes, it'll always ring up for that. So if you add 3, it's $19.50. So hopefully that's crystal clear. It makes sense. And you have that option to do that on Sunday morning if you don't understand my matchups or whomever's matchups. But just maybe it's easier to do that than to ask in the comments. So just to help you guys out. Okay, that's it. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.